Hello everybody and welcome to my 10 subscriber special video where today I'll be showing you guys how to make your own Nightcall videos just like I do. So first, I usually get a song off YouTube, but and you copy the link from the song of your choice. I've got mine in my clipboard already, so then you are to go to a YouTube to MP3 converter, which I use YouTube MP3.2, and once it's loaded up you can as usual paste your link in here. You can choose a file type. I'm just going to go for the one that's bigger because it's probably better quality. Not too sure about that yet. I still to test it, but like, yeah, I'm picking this one for now. Press convert. It will start to convert the YouTube video song of your choice into your chosen file type. So we'll say currently processing video. Do like a little loading bar at the bottom here. When that's done, you can download it, edit the file, or start over. So I'm gonna download it because I'm using Firefox. It will pop up at it will pop up on screen. I'll say OK. It will pop up at the top here. So it will be downloading. For Chrome users, it will be down at the bottom left. So once that's done, you can open it up in its folder. Yeah, guys, and once that's downloaded, you have your file type here, and you can open it with I have Audacity installed. If you have any other one, you can use that. But yeah, I use Audacity. If you don't have Audacity, then links will be in the description for that. Also with the FFmpeg and the lame, because that's essential to have those, because then you could use all file types for Audacity. So yeah, what I do first is I highlight, I would listen to the track first to, so you've picked the right song. I would go to effect and I'll change the speed and tempo. For now, you guys may not hear it, but I should. I don't know, this is the right song. Yeah, I change the speed first, and I change to about 8, and I do a preview to see see what that sounds like. I think it sounds alright. It's good. So you do that. You change this. I change speed, and then if anything differs, then I'll either change the pitch or the tempo. Speed changes pitch and tempo, so if you wanted to know that. Next, I do run through a click removal, and it'll remove clicks and pops. Yeah, because that's essential for those kind of things, because you don't want to hear being like random noises in your song, And then I would go through a compression. So like compresses all the loud parts of the song down, so it just evens everything out. Yeah, so applying dynamic range compression. It's just finishing off. There we go. Look at all the loud parts. They've all compressed down, so they've all kind of leveled out all the sounds and stuff. Next part, I like to do normalization, and that will go through that. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but I think it's supposed to do at least something. And then it'll do that. And I forgot one thing. To set the rate, it just kind of like slides it down a little. It just means the hertz is like larger, 48k. Yeah, my project rate, because I have a computer that does that. I like to boost it up to 48k, just so it's faster and sounds better, in my opinion. So then I would go through the song and I would listen to it and see if it's alright, and if it is, then I would go to file, I'll go to export here, and I would save it in there. So save, okay, then you can add the artist name, the track and all that good stuff. So for now I'm just going to call it Video for Whitey, and the track title is Yee, because why not? Then it'll be exporting the file at a decent amount. So then after, I would use a picture for the video. I'll edit it through, I'll put the picture and the music together. you know, put my outro in at the end, make some like a dynamic like crossover, you know, all that stuff, all the editing nonsense. Guys, if you like this video and I hope it helped you, then please leave a like down below. Comment down below if you want me to upload the song that I made for this tutorial. Please subscribe if you're new to this channel, and yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!